Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BitGo Crypto, where you will find crypto review video and gaming video. Today we will also share amazing project. Now let's check it. Today we are taking a closer look at the Space Ladder winning streak event hosted on the official Oppos platform. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel BitGo Crypto and tap the bell icon so you can get notifications of the further upcoming videos. Let me clarify that this video content is strictly for educational and viewing purpose only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and only participate with what you can afford to lose. So, viewers, here you can check out that this is the main interface of the Space Ladder. To join this global event, your first step is to purchase Optos tokens on PancakeSwap. So this is PancakeSwap. First of all, you will connect your wallet. Here you can see that I have already connected my wallet. According to the official event rules, you must swap Optos token with a minimum value of around 7 USDT on PancakeSwap on the exact same day as you participate. So simply connect your wallet and add the amount here. You can check out that with 7 USDT we can grab this amount of Optos token. Now we will confirm the amount in our wallet. So here you can see that I am confirming the transaction. So our transaction is under progress. Within few seconds it will be completed. When we confirm it through our wallet, our transaction has been confirmed, and here you can see that after connecting the wallet and PancakeSwap and execute the swap and confirm the transaction, this decentralized exchange transaction is recorded on-chain to verify your eligibility. Here you can check out the Optos token has been added to our wallet. You can check out it on the screen. So viewers, after grabbing the Optos token, we will move to the main platform. Once your token arrive in your wallet, head over to the main platform and connect your wallet. Navigate to the Space Ladder game interface. This is where your purchase tokens are used. Simply select your trajectory. Two options are available. So first of all, we will connect our wallet. I have connected my MetaMask wallet, and then you will have to select one option that is Moon and Earth. So you can select Earth and you can select Moon, and then you will have to enter your participation amount, and then you can confirm the transaction in your wallet. So here you can check out that our transaction is under progress. So it is in progress. You can check out, and now we will have to make another try. So I am going to port the next try, and the minimum amount is 50,000. So here we will have to port the amount, and be sure to run multiple game rounds yourself to build your active streak. The interface is intuitive, interactive, and very easy to navigate. So now this time I am going to select the second trajectory, that is Moon, and here we will confirm the transaction in our wallet and port the amount. So I am going to port 50,000 Optos, selecting the trajectory, second trajectory, and now confirming the transaction. Here you can see that we have won. So this is the result. This is our big win. You can check out that we have won approximately 97,500 Optos token we have won. So in this way we can win, we can play. So this is amazing chance for you. So viewers, you can also check out that this is a great opportunity, and in this way you can play it, you can grab it. Now I will explain how can you claim your rewards. The process is very simple. Once your winning streak is verified, you can claim your USDT rewards directly through the reward section on the website. So viewers, here you can also check out that you can find out the detail in the Telegram channel. All the details have been provided here. So you can see that by achieving consecutive wins in the game, you can qualify for USDT rewards at 5, 7, and 10 winning streaks. So first come first serve rewards are distributed, and each participant is allowed to claim one reward claim per day for the reward tier. And you can also check out that both your PancakeSwap purchase and record your gameplay are recorded on the on-chain, and you can make sure to gameplay follow the consecutive overlapping round conditions outlined in the official announcement. So this is the Telegram channel. You can join it. I will put the link in the description so that you can get all the necessary information And now I will explain for the details how can you grab the results and how can you claim your rewards. So viewers, once your winning streak is verified, you can claim your USDT rewards directly through the reward section on the website. This event is a great way to showcase real decentralized exchange utility and active participation within the ecosystem. So I am going to withdraw my rewards. Here we will have to confirm it in our ballot, and here you can see that we have successfully withdrawn our reward, and now the balance moves to 0. So this is how you can withdraw, you can claim your reward. So viewers, in this way you can claim your rewards, and here you can also check out the further details in the Telegram channel, and the link has been given in the description of the video. Always check the official notice on their Telegram channel. If you found this step-by-step video guide helpful, please like, share the video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.